Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you don't know what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Done this analysis several times last week, so that is where the red and green line annotation are coming from. But after today's movement, definitely some updates need to be done. Just going to go ahead and get rid of that line there. It served its purpose for now, and it's not really relevant any longer. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. But summarizing today in and of itself, this is what we would call a gap and trap in trading terminology. If you're new to charts, what do I mean? Well, that's what implies that the price closed right there on Friday, and then this morning the price opened right there, hence the gap up. And then after the gap up, the price actually still showed some signs of strength, made a move upward, some poor souls bought up there, and then from there, down it went the remainder of the day. So like I said, from just looking at today individually, that would be a gap and trap, but this is also what leads to the first update that needs to be done. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So with any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, 305 is going to be that first key area of resistance. You can see that's actually already played out here. So a good example of that rule turning into reality was broken below. You would expect to act as resistance, did there, and then also did once again. So I'm not saying 305 can't be broken. I'm just saying that the price is going to need to really bring its A game to get back above that level. If the price can push above there, then the next level of resistance to watch at that point would be the 50-period moving average, that purple line, and that's currently valued at 314. What about levels of support? Well, the first level, nothing fancy, nothing complicated other than the fact of where the bleeding finally stopped today, and that is down there at the 293 mark. So 293 initial area of support. If the price cannot hold above there, the next level of support after that point would be down there right around $2.85. So keep an eye on those levels going forward. But yeah, not the greatest way to start off the week at all, but it is what it is. The good news is still 4 days left this week, so we'll see if things can get turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.